The movie is just based on the storyline of 2006 and how my brother took me in and adopted me and how things happen around there. I gotta start with Thaddeus, or TJ. That's an amazingly talented young man, and I don't know how or where it comes from out of an 11-year-old, but oh my gosh, he's an amazing actor. Like, he does music, he dances. He's just a great dude. He's a great kid, and his father's a great man. And he's been raised the right way, and it's just amazing to see that he has so much dedication towards it, so much dedication into bringing the story to life, and he takes it so serious. He's asking me questions. Well, we've talked on Instagram a couple times, and he's just a great person. And with Jay, he's closer to my age, so we worked out. I think we worked out twice together. He's pretty cool, and it's like he's really talented as well, and he's almost a spitting image of my brother, and I'm not sure how he did that either. I don't know. They're just dedicated. They're hard workers, and they just take it very seriously, and I appreciate them for doing that.